Most dangerous land animals in South America. Giant river otters can grow 6 feet long, and they even gang up on caimans and tear apart anacondas. They aren't afraid to chase off jaguars either. They are also called the river wolf because they are one of the top predators in South America. They live in attacking groups just like wolves. They don't want anything to do with humans, so don't test them. Just don't. Here's a river otter eating a caiman. Here's a river otter eating an anaconda. I think you get the idea. Would you want to walk across flaming charcoal with a 3-inch nail embedded in your foot? Then pray you never get bitten by a bullet ant. It's rated as the highest sting on the Sting Pain Index. Many people claim the pain is the same as being shot, hence the name bullet ant. Whoever these people are might want to rethink their life choices though.